So yes, we're talking boundaries, we're talking black text, we're talking issues that are affecting you, causing you to be mentally heal. Most of your mental health is at stake because of your relationship with your family members and your friends and your neighbors. So we go into this depth about saying no. I reiterate, learn to say no, learn to refuse. Funda ukunqaba, nqaba. Cha. People will adapt. People will adjust. They will know ukuthi no, because uthe umkhize no doesn't mean ukuthi asasifuni uyasonda. Cha 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 cha. It's not convenient for me at that time. It's costly for me at that time. I can't afford to do it. No. You can't let yourself end up in heaps of debt, end up in backlogs and things that you should have done that you couldn't do because you had to run over this, run over there, run over there, here, doing things that you shouldn't be doing. Abantu bahlulwe izinto zabo, and then thinking, oh, we'll get somebody else to come and solve this problem for us. Because that's what happens most of the time. Our people make bad decisions and then want you to run around fixing their issues. It's a story of your families and your friends. You must learn to say no. Refuse with your time. Refuse with your money. Refuse with your leisure, your commitment, your expertise. Refuse. Say no. Because our people haven't learned that black time is as valuable as white time or Indian time. They want to pay Indians and whites for their time, but when it comes to you, Babu Jobe must do a plumbing for you for free. If you don't have money. If you don't want someone to fix your tap, then don't have a tap. If you have a tap, then you must know when the tap breaks, somebody has to come in and fix it for you, and you must pay. Maningene iy'tolo zabelungu and lokuney'qulukisa uyaswipe phuma uhambe. Funa uzoquleka la isiphaza sakaMthimkhulu manje because he's black. FOH. Our people are playing too much, and we allow them to play too much because we don't appreciate the culture of refusing. You can't be yes, yes, yes all the time. Refuse. Just utterly say no. With a smile. And the most annoying thing is that we have our people who just simply can't take no. You say no the first time around, the person is still trying to persuade you. You say no the second time around. Like, dude, I just said no. What is there to misunderstand about me refusing right now? FOH. So you learn to protect your peace, protect your wallet, protect your time, protect your expertise. Don't get used by people. Just refuse. Whether it's family, whether it's friends, whoever it is, they must learn, okay, there are certain things we can't get from that guy. There are certain times where we can't get certain things from you. Just say no. Refuse. And it's the worst kind of thing because when you're dealing with females are very sneaky. They're thinking that their whole purpose in life around a man is to manipulate him into doing things that he wouldn't do otherwise. They are manipulative, these people. I had someone telling me, no, because of testosterone in the morning, you don't want to ask a man for anything during the morning time because his testosterone levels are very high, so he's prone to refuse. Maybe minimum attack in Dambam. See, the kind of behavior where people want to exploit the goodness of your heart and live for that. Now, no is normal. Learn to say no. People must accept this. It's not because you hate them. It's not because you don't like them or you are angry. It's just not convenience to me. Just say no. Manje kushoda ukuthi la ndlini anginayo lo mali. Because you don't have. So we have to get into a space where we teach our people to accept rejection, to teach our people to accept that time is money. A very interesting friend of mine who I really admire his way of doing things. It would be like, if he's leaving at 1 p.m., he's leaving at 1 p.m. Whether you guys are back to say goodbyes, uyahamba. Ushilo, I'm leaving at 1. And he leaves at 1. End of story. I will arrive at 10. He arrives at 10. If he arrives at 10, he doesn't find you, he's gone. You're not going to find that nigga there. Yeah, and you have black people who want to come here 2 hours later. Hey, man, just in. So what were you doing during these 2 hours? Too much idling in our things. We do too much idling, waiting for other people. Tardiness. So learn to refuse those kind of behaviors. Learn to protect your peace. This is how you're going to achieve a mental state of balance, because most of you are struggling with your mental issues because you can't draw the line between you and other people. Bakuhlanyisa because you're always allowing them in and out. No, refuse. You know, our kindness is being exploited too much and for free. That's the sad part. There's no benefit in being kind as a black person. There isn't. Uthi uyenza ukuhle, but ukhumbule ukuthi noma ungenza kangakanani la abantu basemakini banenhliziyo ezimbi azibongi. See no black sins coming your way, no matter how much you do for them, because their hearts are rotten inside. Busy wena ke vuma yonke into nje. So learn to say no. It's going to assist you. It is assisting me a lot wherever I am. Just refuse. You know, it's a thing of knowing also when to avail yourself, when your time is available. Say, angisenaso isikhathi. Uzongithola after this particular hour. Protect your space, because if people can respect that you are going to work at 8 a.m. in the morning and coming back at 17 p.m., they don't need to be doing anything with you during that time. Then even if you are not doing that, your time is your time. When bafunda ukubuza, are you busy? Umuntu akafakazi ukutshela ukuthi hey manje yazi nginenkinga washacima. I know it gets very real when you refuse to people. When I beshintsha manje, I say, no, sorry, I can't come through. Peace. That's life lessons. I wish you all the best. I wish you can learn to say no. It will assist you to draw boundaries. Just because you said no, it's not going to invite any negativity towards you. There is no such a thing. There ain't nobody punishing you for saying no. Soze, not the creator of the universe. Just refuse.
Wisdom, yeah.